There's the beauty of an Endurant right there. You can just let off the throttle and it creeps the hill, crawls the hill all by itself. You don't have to match it with a clutch. You don't have any rollback. And many, I should say, rookie drivers, they get a little panicked. Okay, you've got all this traffic. You've got a 72-foot long vehicle. You don't have much experience, maybe a year, and they just get panicked and they get hurried if somebody's blowing the horn. Like right here, for instance, I've got a yield sign, and I'm gonna not let anybody behind me pressure me. I'm gonna let the truck do its job. Again, it's trying to go. I have to apply a little brake, which is good. I'm not trying to throttle. I'm not trying to have to let out on the clutch, and got a good avenue to take off. A little bit of throttling, just let it do its thing. It's already recognized that we were in a light load condition. We weren't pulling the hill, so it shifted from 5th to 6th, and then it just did an 8 to a 10. So that's 2 gears. It didn't have to select and use its ability or apply fuel or anything to select 2 gears. So that's efficiency right there. Right now, a driver would be downshifting. Okay, he's trying to search a gear for the right speed, whether it be the right grade. That's just doing it all. So we just got to watch traffic and apply brake gently. It's doing a downshift all by itself. And here's what I didn't know for the longest time. When I drive a 10-speed, there's a stick right here. And that's where my hand always stayed, on that stick like that, okay? And if you sat in a chair for however many hours, I've sat in a chair for 6-7 hours before I took a break or pulled over, and I've got my hand here, and your neck starts to, you got this tension, okay? Now, there's no stick to put your hand on. But at the end of the day, you're thinking, man, I need to go to the chiropractor. But this has been a game changer as far as relaxation and not having that tension in your neck.